Statistics. Question number 1. Mode can be expressed by dash. Option A M, option B Z, option C 90, option D H1. Answer Z. Question number 2. Spearman rank method used in dash. Option A average, option B correlation for rank, option C mode, option D test. Answer correlation for rank. Question number 3. Degree and direction of correlation is related to dash. Option A regression analysis, option B mode, option C standard, option D sample. Answer regression analysis. Question number 4. Which is type of regression? Option A data, option B quota sampling, option C multiple regression, option D private. Answer multiple regression. Question number 5. Which is a statistical method? Option A ABC analysis, B promotion, C regression analysis, and D advertising. Answer regression analysis. Question number 6. Given 5y equal to 4x equal to 33, 20x equal to 9y plus 107. The above problem is related to dash. A regression equation, B sample, C data, and D mode. Answer regression equation. Question number 7. Which is used when sample size is small? A t-test, B mode, C f-test, and D none of these. Answer t-test. Question number 8. To test the goodness of fit is used dash. Option A chi-square test, option B correlation, option C average, option D mode. Answer chi-square test. Question number 9. Questionnaire is used for dash. Option A average, option B data collection, option C table, and option D size. Answer data collection. Question number 10. Direct personal investigation is a method of dash. Option A collection of data, option B average, option C mode, option D mean. Answer collection of data. Question number 11. Information through enumerators is a tool of dash. Option A data collection, option B sample, option C mean, option D table. Answer data collection. Question number 12. The objectives of sampling theory are dash. Option A data, option B objection, option C test of hypothesis, option D variance. Answer test of hypothesis. Question number 13. Estimation of parameter is a dash. A. Language. B. Source of data. C. Objective of sampling theory. And D. Mean. Answer. Objectives of sampling theory. Question number 14. Linear correlation is a part of dash. Option A. Mean. Option B. Probability. Option C. Correlation. Option D. Sample. Answer. Correlation. Question number 15. Acceptance sampling is a part of dash. Option A. Data. Option B. Random sampling. Option C. Test. Option D. Population. Answer. Random sampling. Question number 16. Negative correlation is dash. Option A plus 0. Option B plus 1. Option C minus 1. Option D plus 2. Answer minus 1. Question number 17. Least square method is used for dash. Option A correlation. Option B schedule. Option C mode. Option D mean. Answer correlation. Question number 18. Observation is a method of collecting dash. Option A primary data. Option B secondary data. Option C error. Option D sorting. Answer primary data. Question number 19. Universe is known as dash. Option A mode. Option B sample. Option C population. Option D mean. Answer population. Question number 20. Source of error include dash. Option A error of inadequacy. B value. Option C trend. Option D none of these. Answer error of inadequacy.